Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add a program or app to Windows 11 startup. So generally speaking, these background applications you can turn them off from starting up every time your computer turn on in order to speed up your boot. However, in some situation you may want to allow an application or program to start when your computer boots up that you may have previously disabled or may have been disabled by default in some cases. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. On left side you just need to click on this three slash icon over here, and after that click on startup apps, and in here you just need to select the application you want to run on startup. For example, I just enabled Chrome before. For example, you want to start up Epic Games Launcher, you just need to click on it and enable the selected app to run on startup. Select enable. That's all you have to do it, guys. So if you want to disable some application, you just want to select any application enabled before and select the disable option over here and disable it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.